Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum and Litecoin has moved last week and how these can move in the next week. See, if you look at this chart, what I have told you that the Bitcoin has moved up on the resistance side. Okay, this was the range it was trading. Okay, and I have already suggested you that if the price breaks a range, see this is the range it has made, and after crossing this range, okay, it has come again at this particular range and hit the support, and now it is trading higher. Okay, so now we can see first resistance point, second resistance point and third resistance point. It is continuously making an uptrend. Okay, so now an uptrend have started from 20th of July. So what we can see here now, the high of we can see is at around 49,447 and a low of that particular range is around 43,935. okay, so we can see a strong support at around 48,237. okay, and this is the range it can take support again and can move more up higher and can touch a level of 51,598. and I have already suggested you that if it is above $42K, then it is mostly in the upper side, will go more up. Okay, see now if it crosses a level of and stays above level of 49, then chances are high it can touch a level of 51,732, and from there it can touch a level of 54,421, and then we can see a level of 56,572 and can touch a level of 58 also. Okay, can much higher. Suppose if the price goes below a level of 47, then we can say that it can touch a level of 45, and then we can see a strong support which is tested twice. So chances are high that if it comes close to around 43, then chances are high it can break and come to a level of 42,456. and suppose if this level again goes down, then we can see a level of 41 also. Okay, and then we can see a further low to a level of 38, but as of now I'm seeing an upper trend, so we can see it can go further high. We talk about Dogecoin. So before talking about the Dogecoin, I'll tell you, if you have any doubt regarding crypto, you can message me or mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I've given in the description. And please watch the full video, then you will understand how this is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description. See now what we can see, a U pattern is trying to create, and an upper side we have seen that the price of crypto is moving an upside. Okay, and high of that particular range is around 0.35077 and a low of that particular range is around 0.27756. okay, and now it is trading at around 0.32. so chances are high that if it stays above this level, then chances are high it can touch a level of 0.33466, and from there we can see a level of 0.3493, and then we can see a level of 0.3522. suppose if sustain this level, then we can see a level of 0.37712, and if stays above that level, then we can see a level of 0.3961, and then we can see a level of 0.43, and this level is already tested twice, and a level of 0.44 also. So if it comes close to this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 0.48, and further high we can see a level of 0.51. then we can see after, if it crosses a level of 0.44, we are on the upper side, that we can see the trend have changed, and it also and we can see the trend has already changed. We can see that it can go much higher and can touch a level of 0.44 very soon. And if we talk about, suppose if it goes below a level of 0.27, then only we can see it can go further low to a level of 0.23, but otherwise I'm looking that it is on the upper side. Okay, but if we talk about Ethereum, see Ethereum is also, we can see it is a continuous uptrend, and from there 20th of July it has made a low, and from there it is continuously upside. Now a range is created, so once this range, now it is trading at 3293, and high of that particular range is around 3352. Okay, so once this range breaks, it can touch a level of 3436, and if it goes above that level, then we can see a level of 3604. Okay, and if it stays above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 3864 also. Okay, and because we can see a W pattern is created, and there more trend upside we can see, but this is the range. Once this range breaks upside, we can see more upside trend in the Ethereum. Suppose if this range comes below a level of 3192, then we can see that it can come to a level of 2973, but if it comes close to this level, then we can see a level of 2864 also, and if it didn't sustain this level, then we can see 2671, and then we can see further low to a level of 2393. But as of now, I can see that the trend is an upside till the time it is sustaining a level of 3175. Okay, and a strong support at a level of 29606. Okay, so suppose if it breaks this level, then we can see a level of 3562, and from there we can see a level of 3965, and can go further high, because Ethereum is, we can see, is a strong crypto. And if we talk about Litecoin, see now Litecoin is also in an uptrend. Okay, if you look at this trend, it has made a low what it has to make. Now it is continuously in uptrend after 20th of July. Okay, and this is the range. We can see that once this range breaks upside or downside, we can see, so a high is made at around 189 and a low of around 163. Okay, so now it is trading at 183. so once this comes and can touch a level of 189, and once this level will cross, and we know that this level is already tested twice here. Okay, one here and one here, so chances will be high that it can touch a level of 2005, and once this level is crossed, then we can see a level of 2010 or 209 also, because we can see, and this level is only tested here once if we look at this trend, but we can see that this level is tested here twice, so chances will be very high. If it crosses this level, then we can see a level of 208, which will be an uptrend, and these levels are already tested twice, so chances will be very high. It will not stop here, it can go further high to a level of 228 also, and this level is also tested twice, 228, and then chances are high that it can touch a level of 246, and from this level it can bounce back. But as of now, what we can see, if it breaks this level, suppose if it didn't break this level, it can come to a level of 175, and from there we can see a level of 161, and suppose this 161 is tested here twice, it can go further low to a level of 148, which is a very strong support. If this level breaks, then we can see the trend will change at the downside, but as of now, if sustaining this level, it can go further high. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.